on, Thane.
Get the... I'm naked, you stupid... Get the out of my fucking house!
On October 3rd, 2024, in Ashland, Wisconsin, police are dispatched to a residence for a reported sexual assault. The suspect inside the home is 30-year-old Thane Pelton, who's already been accused of repeated and ongoing sexual offenses. Fuck me, this is going to be a long one.
Thane, Sheriff's Office. Thane.
Hi, where's your dad?
We need to talk to you.
Can you come here? Can you come here?
We need to talk to you, Thane.
You want to go talk to your mom? You want to go talk to your mom? Can you... Hey, what's your name?
Okay, Thane, we need to talk to you.
Get out of the fucking house!
Can you come talk to me, please?
Shut the fucking door right now!
Hey,
You cannot break
can you give me your hand? Can you go talk to your mom? Let's go talk to your mom.
Thane, I need to talk to you about what happened.
Get out of my house before I
Can you go talk to your mom?
Get out!
Thane, I need to talk to you.
Get out of my fucking house!
I'm not going to leave until I get a chance to talk to you.
I'm gonna push you out of my fucking house right fucking now.
What did you say?
I'm going to push you.
Come on, let's go talk to your mom.
I'm naked. Get the
Thane,
fuck out of my house!
turn around.
Get out of my house!
Turn around, Thane.
Get out of...
Turn around.
Get the fuck... Assault!
Turn around.
I didn't touch you!
Turn around. Turn
I
around.
said get the...
Look at this fucker.
Turn around, Thane.
Get the... I'm naked, you stupid...
Turn around.
Get the out of my
Christ.
fucking house!
Turn around, Thane.
Get out! Kamala Harris is gonna come. Get the... You ain't touching me.
Turn around, Thane.
You ain't... Get the... You ain't fucking doing... Knock it off!
Drop it, you will be tased.
Get the out of my house!
Turn around.
No, because I'm not
Turn
doing
around.
anything fucking wrong.
Turn around. Step over there.
I am naked.
Yeah, I see that. Turn
I have
around.
a court order.
Turn around.
You broke into my house.
Turn around.
Do you want to do this in front of your son?
You cannot do that.
Turn around.
Turn around.
You cannot.
Well, we have special circumstances right now.
You cannot break it.
Turn around. He's going to step forward and grab your arm. If you do anything, I'm going to tase you.
Touch me.
I'm going to tase you.
Don't touch me. You have to have a court order.
Turn around.
Megan, call my dad right now.
676. 673. Go ahead and step it up.
Turn around, Thane.
Turn around. Go ahead and turn around.
You don't have a court. I am naked.
I see that.
That's assault.
Turn around, Thane. Turn around, Thane. Turn around.
673.
There's a of a police officer in my house. You cannot
Okay.
in my house without a court order.
We just came in to talk to you. We need to make sure that...
Grabbing me and he's grabbing me right away.
Okay.
How do you think I feel if I'm naked? He's grabbing me in my own house.
We asked you to come to the door. All right.
You do not have a court order. You cannot come in my house without permission.
Okay.
Broken entered.
Will you let the kids go to their mom?
No.
Okay.
You broke into my.
We did not break into your house.
You're thinking about it, aren't you?
Nope.
You can't. Quit. You can't do that. Stop touching me.
Turn around.
Touch it.
Where are you?
I'm naked! Megan! Megan!
Yes.
Megan! You have no right to do that, nope!
I don't have a good grip anymore.
Thane, stop resisting.
Stop.
Please, come help me!
603, step it up, step it up, step it up.
You're choking me!
Stop resisting, Thane.
You're a weak
Turn around.
little man, aren't you? You beat your wife. Your wife beat.
Pull my arm.
You failed the psych
Pull
course.
my arm.
You did. You failed the psych exam.
Let's go.
No. You just punched me.
You elbowed me in the
it's
face.
assault.
You elbowed me in the
Megan,
face.
they're punching me. Get mom.
Let go of me.
Nope.
Let go of me. Go.
You can't do that.
No, they're not done that way.
He's choking me on the thing. Spray him.
No,
Spray him.
he's
Spray
not.
him.
Ow! 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 Megan, they're punching me!
You choked my partner.
Megan! Megan!
Stop it.
Megan! Megan!
Hey!
409 North Main Street.
Stop! Stop, please!
Megan!
Stop, please! Hey!
Apologies.
Stop!
Here's Felony City. 409 North Main.
Stop!
Megan!
Please! Please! Stop! Please stop!
Megan!
Please stop it!
Get off my back! Fucking touch me like that.
I only got one arm, I guess. I got one
Let
arm.
me get up! I'm fucking naked, you racist! You quit! You fucking me!
Nobody's. Relax. Stop resisting. 676. One subject in the back room. We still need assistance. Get stop kicking, Thane.
Stop! You're
Kicking.
Megan!
Okay!
Thane, you need to cooperate right now. Stop kicking, Thane.
Stop!
You ain't punching me.
Not kicking my partner.
Megan!
Please!
Megan, now! Megan!
Stop, please!
going to jail.
Stop!
I got dirt on you. You
Stop!
smoke weed at home, don't you?
Yeah!
And you beat your wife.
No!
And you failed the gun test, didn't you? No. There's someone else in here.
Thane,
Tell me what the
Stop it.
going on.
Stop resisting.
Get your hair out of my head and tell me what's going on.
Stop resisting. We can't.
You stupid Let me get clothes on! Are you sick in the head?
Are you going to stop resisting,
What are
Thane?
you Yes, let me out! Get out of my head, you dumbass!
Stop resisting.
And let me get the I'm not.
Stop resisting. Stop. Stop it.
I'm gonna go to your mom. Let me sit the fuck down, you stupid sucker. I'm not doing anything wrong.
You need to listen to us.
No.
You need to listen to us.
Get out!
You need to listen to us.
Let me breathe, you stupid fucker.
Stop resisting.
Call 911! You have to let me get ready. You cannot arrest me.
Thane, stop. Stop. Take a breath. You need to relax and do as you're told.
Are you fucking stupid? Do you know who you're arresting? I'm the president, you fucking idiots. Pick me up. They're hurting me. I'm naked.
Just catch your breath.
No, I don't need a breath, you fucking retarded narcissist. Go shoot someone else in your fucking target practice.
Or just go grab a blanket or something.
You fat
Thane, relax.
Then get the fuck off of me, you
Not till you relax. Is that a blanket or? That's a big one.
You ain't wrapping me up.
We're gonna cover you.
No, you're not. You're gonna let me fucking stand. Just please let me fucking stand up. I'll give you what you want if you let me stand.
Okay.
You're Get the f off me.
Just relax. Just keep laying down there. Let's
Just let me the
move
f
on your
up.
side. We're gonna move you on your side. There you go.
No, I
Now
want to
breathe.
be standing. I'm not gonna f***ing touch you. I'm not. You're not. What the f are you doing? What the f is your bad name?
Okay, just chill. Relax.
Just let me the f off.
Can't do that right now, man.
Can't do that right now.
Yes, you can.
I can't do it.
Relax.
Okay, just get my gloves on. Okay, we're gonna have you stand up.
Yeah, no shit. Are you stupid?
Up. Put your feet under you.
Let me
Under
f***ing
power.
stand, you idiot.
We are under your
Then
power.
pick me up.
Put
I
your-
can't do that.
Put your feet underneath.
Just pick me the f up, you stupid bastard.
Apply weight to your feet and stand up. There you go.
What are you f***ing looking at? You fail your fucking test, big tough sheriff. Let me get my f***ing boxes on you, stupid
No, no.
You're not. Then let me fucking put the fucking boxers on.
Let's go, Thane.
Put the boxers on.
Let's go, Thane.
Let me get some boxers.
We got the
You cannot
blanket.
put me in here naked.
Yeah, that's why we grabbed the blanket for you.
What are you doing, McGuire?
You've already tried to kick me a couple times. We're not
No,
going to
I
put
did
boxers
not.
on you.
Just let me get the boxers on.
Okay, that's why we grabbed you a blanket.
No, I don't want the blanket.
Get in there. Go on, let's go.
What did I do wrong?
Move your foot. Move your foot.
The backstory is even worse than the body cam. Thane was reportedly deep in a drug-fueled hallucination and allegedly assaulted another victim. The victim in question was able to escape from the house with one of the children. Following the body cam footage, Thane was charged with felony second-degree sexual assault, felony false imprisonment, strangulation and suffocation, resisting, obstructing, and disorderly conduct. Thane is looking at up to 40 years of state-sponsored housing. He hasn't been sentenced yet. He tried to claim he was the president during the arrest, but I don't think the Secret Service is coming to bail him out. And for those of you wondering what happened to the kids, is not stated in the video, but I'm sure we all hope they get the necessary help and protection they need.